We are from Dinoto Technical Secondary School. We are based in Daveyton. We are grateful for the opportunity that Mentec has given us as a school. As the principal of the school, we have managed to build a relationship or a partnership with Mentec, mentoring our children for S2S skills, and also the opportunities of our learners to also know the SAP system. We are grateful for that, and we are grateful for everything that you have done for us. What we are requesting and asking for is that can the relationship not end here, and we push it to all the other years so that we can try and groom our learners for the better future. Thank you so much to Mr. Lebob, who has also taken the initiative to groom our learners and to also make sure that everything is done accordingly. But apart from that, also giving one of our former learners, Munyavi, an opportunity to be part of the team for the next year. So, Mr. Lebob, over to you.
No, thank you very much. Thanks to Mentec for entrusting us as a school. I still remember when Mr. Hoza approached us, we did not take it lightly, but that's what we do at Dinoto. We ensure that everything that we do, we give it our best, and that is why we are here today. And thanks to my wonderful principal, Mr. Mabuza, for also entrusting me into making sure that, you know, I run this smoothly. And yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.